2016 Tahoe lifter tick final diagnosis video. Looks like I found all the needle bearings that were missing from this lifter. Found 17 total, and a couple of broken pieces from the sides of it. And here's your camshaft. It definitely ate that cam alive. There's not much left of it. So, found a bunch of needle bearings in the bottom of the oil pan. I don't see any more. There's not much left of the engine for them to get lost at. I've inspected it pretty good. Blew out some of the oil passages. I don't see anything left. Here's the pile of parts that you got to do for doing these cam replacements. Differential, radiator, oil pump, timing set, front steering rack, timing cover, oil pan, yada yada. It's a lot. So that's why these things are quite a bit of labor. Only the long block left sitting in there. I'm still waiting on one last set of parts that are going to be here tomorrow, and then I can start putting it back together again. So another 2 days, give or take, and I'll have it done, ready for testing.